Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between gross income and earned income. Although these two terms are often used interchangeably, they have different meanings in taxation, personal finance, and income reporting. Understanding these differences can help you manage your finances, calculate taxes correctly, and make better financial decisions. Number 1. Gross income refers to the total income received from all sources before any deductions, whereas earned income refers only to income received through active work or services performed. Number 2. Gross income includes both earned and unearned income, whereas earned income includes only wages, salaries, commissions, tips, and self-employment earnings. Number 3. Gross income can come from salaries, interest, dividends, rental income, and capital gains, whereas earned income comes directly from working or providing services. Number 4. Gross income may include money received without performing any work, whereas earned income must always be generated through active participation in work. Number 5. Gross income is measured before deductions and expenses, whereas earned income may allow certain work-related adjustments in specific situations. Number 6. Gross income is used as the starting point for many tax calculations, whereas earned income is often used to determine eligibility for tax credits and benefits. Number 7. Gross income is reported as total income on tax returns, whereas earned income may be separately identified for tax credit purposes. Number 8. Gross income is always equal to or greater than earned income, whereas earned income is usually only a portion of total gross income. Number 9. Gross income includes passive income such as interest, dividends, and rental earnings, whereas earned income does not include passive income. Number 10. Gross income may include gifts, inheritances, and other financial windfalls depending on reporting rules, whereas earned income does not include gifts or inheritances. Number 11. Gross income includes profits from businesses and self-employment activities, whereas earned income includes only the portion generated through active business work. Number 12. Gross income may include government benefits, pensions, and certain allowances, whereas government benefits are generally not considered earned income. Number 13. Gross income may include scholarships and fellowships when applicable, whereas scholarships are generally not treated as earned income. Number 14. Gross income includes rental income earned from property ownership, whereas rental income is generally not classified as earned income. Number 15. Gross income is commonly used to calculate adjusted gross income and overall tax liability, whereas earned income is used to determine eligibility for programs such as earned income tax credits and financial assistance. Number 16. Higher gross income may reduce eligibility for loans, grants, scholarships, and benefits, whereas lower earned income may increase eligibility for certain government assistance programs. To summarize, gross income represents your total income from all sources before deductions, while earned income represents only the money you earn through active work or services. Understanding the distinction between these two concepts is essential for tax planning, financial management, and evaluating eligibility for various benefits and assistance programs. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.